Hi and welcome to Paints and Glitter. This is Raquel. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an absolutely adorable project that I've made for Reneabouquets for the month of April, showcasing these hat boxes that I've designed, as well as this adorable little card that's also a little hat. So to begin, I'm going to walk you through the products that I've used. I'm going to start with this little hat box here to the left, so I'm just going to move this one over for a moment. For this hat box, what I did was that I used one of the chipboard pieces here. This is a doily heart, and in the center I've used the dark purple microbeads as well as the Moonstone beads from Reneabouquets and other items from my stash to alter that. And these are absolutely adorable. They are very versatile, and I just decided to use it there to decorate the front of this little hat box. And then on the side, I've used mulberry flowers from Reneabouquets. These are the lavender and white roses and leaves set. And what I've done here is that I use the chunky glass glitter that you can get from Reneabouquets, and scattered throughout you're going to see this absolutely gorgeous dragonfly here. This one's called To Venus and Back. And then these little butterflies that are just all over my projects here are absolutely stunning. They are called Beautiful Board, and they are printed and then made of this very strong chipboard. So as you can see here, you can get them in a variety of colors, and I just think they lend such a gorgeous touch to your projects. So the laces that you see here also come from Reneabouquets, and what I've done is that I've snipped them and added them to my project. This is another one here. So I'm going to list the names of these in the description box with links that will work to take you exactly to the product that I'm showcasing here. That way it's easier for you to find it, and you can see how absolutely exquisite everything is and how beautiful they are just on their own. So this box opens here. It has a little magnet that's hidden behind the paper, of course. And on the inside, what I've done is that I made a little mini album, but of course you could use this box for a number of things. And this is just a very delicate and sweet little book that you can add just a group of pictures to. It isn't very large, as you can tell. And here you see another one of the pieces from Reneabouquets, and this is one of her little hummingbirds that is called a tiny Majestic hummingbird, and I think they're absolutely adorable. And what I've done here is I've coupled it with some of the roses. These are tea roses that also come in that beautiful board. And then here you see another one of those little butterflies. The lace is from Reneabouquets. And here on this side as well, this is another piece of lace, as well as the butterfly, of course. And as you can tell, what I've done here is I've used different pieces of it. I wanted to show that you don't have to use the entire piece of one lace all together. You can definitely use it for smaller projects, and it just adds that beautiful touch. This is another piece of lace, if you can believe that. What I've done is I've cut one of the butterflies out of it, and then it came with the pearls already, so you don't even have to embellish that. And then there's another snippet here, and it just adds a gorgeous touch to this tiny little book that just has this ribbon that I've placed on it on the side here just to open it very easily. And it all is cohesive with everything else. And I just placed some simple pages here and stamped the little flower there on each one. But this would allow for the recipient to have like a little brag book, if you will, of pictures that they want to keep. That fits nicely in this little box, but of course it is a hat box, so I did make a hat card. And this does fit on the inside of that box as well. But I wanted to show you here these gorgeous roses again, and these itty bitty little flowers. These are also from Reneabouquets shop. You can get them there. And again, all I did was alter them with a little bit of glass glitter just to make them a little bit shiny. But you can leave them as they are. And then here's another snippet of lace that I added here on top. More of those butterfly kisses, as they're known. And what I did was that I also added the Moonstone beads scattered throughout with Nouveau Drop. So on the inside, all you have to do is open it like so, and it'll rest right on top of another little rose. So I think it's just absolutely adorable. And then over here, what I did was I made another one because I just was so happy with the way that these little boxes turned out that I wanted to make another one. And here what I wanted to show you was also the same type of heart doily that you saw on the other box there. I added here, and this time I did some gold gilding onto that. So you can see the versatility of these items is that you can definitely make them fit whatever theme you're going with your projects. And here what I did was I added the rose colored micro beads to that one. And then on the sides, you see the tea roses in the beautiful board. In this case, I painted them to match my project, so instead of leaving them in the creamy color that they come in, what I did was I painted it with colors of gold. And also from Reneabouquets, you can get these absolutely gorgeous leaves that you can alter. What I've done is a little bit of gold gilding on that one, and this lace is also from her shop. I just layered it here on the handle of this box. And then this leaf here is a skeleton leaf that's also from her shop. I just layered it onto decorative paper, and then I added the little micro beads, as you can tell, and it just adds a lovely texture to this project. On this side, I've added another one of those little butterflies, this one in white, another leaf, and another rose here, as you can tell, and it just layers beautifully. They're so very cohesive. And then this box opens a little differently in that it does have a button here. So if you open it like that, it just has a simple inside that you can definitely fit lots of goodies into, and you can give it away to a friend. This would be perfect for a wedding shower, Mother's Day. I mean, I can think of so many different occasions, but I wanted to just show you guys how I've used them, and I hope that you have enjoyed this project, that you do follow the links and enjoy some of the goodies from Reneabouquets, that you can be inspired and be blessed, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.